Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Odoo CRM for real estate. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and click on this Start Now button. In this new page, click on all the apps you want to add to your Odoo account, then click on Continue right here. In this next page, type in your name, email address, company name, and the other details Odoo needs. Then click on Start Now down here. Next, Odoo has some prompts for you, like what you want to use Odoo for what business, and what is your main objective. In this next page, choose your color palette, but if you can't find one, you may upload your logo here and it will detect your color palette for you. In this next page, choose the pages and features you want to add to your website, then click on Build My Website down here. Next, choose here your preferred theme, then Odoo will build your website for you. After Odoo is done generating your website, you may start customizing your website by clicking on Edit at the top right corner. This right panel will open containing all the tools you need to customize your website. And once you're done customizing, click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can use Odoo CRM for real estate. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.